Hello and welcome. Today we are going to focus on this idea of experience. Specifically, what are you currently experiencing right now, in this very moment? So for this exercise, I want you to feel relaxed. Relaxed within your body. Relaxed within your own mind. Preferably sitting in a comfortable position. You may want to experience the light your eyes see. You may want to experience the sensations your body currently feels. You may even want to focus your attention on the intonation of your breath. How you decide to observe your experience is entirely up to you. There is nothing to question, nothing to think about, all we are doing is observing our current experience. So what exactly does it mean to experience? Does experience require effort? Or is experience something that always happens regardless of our input? Are you struggling to experience life right now, in this very moment? All things to consider while you practice this exercise. I encourage you to take your time, observing your experience. And I'll give you a moment to take this all in. If you are having difficulty focusing on your experience, that's okay. Just gently remind yourself of what we are trying to achieve here, which is to focus on what we are currently experiencing right now. We are not here to judge, nor react to our thoughts or feelings. But instead, let's focus our attention back to our experience. Remaining calm, without thought, without expectation, and I'll let you continue to do this within your own space. If you find yourself wandering off again, that's okay. Just gently remind yourself to continue observing your experience. Truly noticing what you're experiencing. So you can be at one with yourself. And that brings us to the end of today's session. Thank you for listening. I wish you best of luck with your day,